In this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn how to use the alter session command. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I start the database by connecting to the SQL command line. In some cases, we want to change the database parameter on a session basis. For example, the format of salary dates may not be in the table as you want. You can access the data in the format you want by changing the date format on a session basis. Before making an example, let's learn which parameters can be changed on a session basis. By making this query, you can find out whether the parameters are suitable for changing on a session basis. I need to change the SQL format. I run the query again. If the modifiable column is true, the parameter can be changed on a session basis. We generally change NLS parameters on a session basis. You can see NLS parameters with the show parameter command. The date format is currently like this. We can see the date format using the dual table. But this format may not be suitable for you. Let's immediately change the date format on a session basis. I can do this using the alter session command. I check that the parameter has been changed. Now I am establishing a new connection to the database. As you can see, the date format is different from the other session, because we changed the parameter on a session basis. Parameter changes do not affect other users. Let's look at the date format in both sessions. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.